You're much too close. I need to step back.
Just take a step back if I move.
This is getting a bit silly. Can you just all take a step back? Come on.
Keep on from the... Laura. Don't keep pulling me. Don't pull me. It's fine. It's fine. I want to